airborne over the Gulf of Mexico, and evidence of the giant spill is plain to see. There are wide bands of iridescent, oily sheen, and, here and there, thick clumps of orange-colored crude. These pictures were taken about 30 kilometers from the Mississippi coast. Closer to shore, the low-lying Chandeleur Islands are well known for their rich fishing grounds. Some small islands, considered prime nesting grounds for birds, have been surrounded with orange booms to protect them from the slick. But some bands of oil from BP's ruined rig have pushed past the islands and are moving inexorably toward land.
We've been flying over a wide area affected by the spill, but we haven't seen any ships skimming oil off the surface or any planes dropping dispersants. That's because further out in the Gulf, the weather is still so bad that the ships have had to remain in harbor and planes will be grounded for at least another day.
Beneath the water, efforts were underway to try and stem the flow of oil.
For the first time ever in the industry, we are applying dispersant at the seabed, which appears to be having a significant impact in limiting the oil that gets to the surface.
So far, there have been no confirmed reports of oil washing ashore, but scientists are preparing for the worst. Marine biologist Moby Solangi runs the Institute of Marine Mammal Studies in Gulfport, Mississippi. He says about 5,000 dolphins could be affected by the spill.
It has very delicate skin. We put towels on it. We keep it wet.
No sick dolphins have turned up yet, but a series of tanks and pools are ready for distressed animals, and a complex water filtration system is in place. The Institute even has an operating room and is stocked up with supplies.
Rob, what we have done is to prepare ourselves. We've collected all the supplies that will be necessary. We have Dawn detergent to get all the oil off them.
Solangi says no one can predict how badly the ecosystem will be affected if the oil washes ashore.
If the well is not capped in a short period of time, it could have serious consequences.
This containment chamber, under construction in Louisiana, is perhaps the best hope for a short-term fix.
The containment system is designed to place over the leak sources and allow us to collect the oil, funnel it up through through pipe work to a drill ship called the Enterprise on the surface. We've been fabricating the containment chamber. In fact, I think there's pictures of that out there now. We will load that on a ship tomorrow, along with other associated equipment, and begin transporting that to site.
All over this section of the Gulf, preparations are underway, but no one knows when or where the oil will arrive. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, over the Gulf of Mexico.